One thing that often gets overlooked in drum sanders is the monthly maintenance or the maintenance for the machine. That will lead to premature failure, premature breakdown, and poor performance of the tool overall. Monthly maintenance on the tool is very, very simple. You have 3 bushings on the corners of the roller. You have 2 on the infeed side, and then you have 1 on the outfeed side back here. The 4th corner here is supported by the gear motor assembly and does not require any maintenance as there's no bushing. On the outside of the machine here, on the 1632 oscillating sander, you have your guide rods here for your drum carriage, and you also have your threaded rod here, all of which takes a good 3-in-1 oil or a lightweight motor oil. A couple of drops on the bushings once a month, a couple of drops on the guide tubes and threaded rod once a month is all that's needed. Inside your drum carriage assembly, you have tension rollers before and after the drum. Those are supported by suspension brackets that also have an oilite bushing. Those bushings are down here on either end and requires just a couple of drops of 3-in-1 oil once a month. Oscillating machines, you have grease zerks at either end of the drum or on the slides that require a number 2 tube grease every now and then. Over-greasing those zerks will produce extra grease inside your drum cavity assembly and collect sawdust and or adhering itself to your material as you're running through the machine.